How to redeem Google Play gift card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem Google Play gift card. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to redeem a Google Play gift card, first open up your Google Play app, locate it and then open it up. After you do that, tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you tap on your profile icon, what you'll need to do is select payments and subscriptions, tap on it, and after you do that, you'll find the redeem code option at the bottom. Tap on redeem code, and after you do that, all you now have to do is enter out the code or simply scan the code. After you do that, you can tap onto the redeem button and then redeem it. And it's basically that simple. And that's how you can redeem a Google Play gift card. Thanks for watching guys. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.